Hi, I'm Keith, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to change your wheel in terms of you having a puncture. The tyres are an essential part of your vehicle from getting you from point A to B. They absorb shocks and vibrations, but it's also important to regularly get your tyres checked through the tread depths and also maintain tyre pressures every week. Depending on the make and model of the vehicle you have, the spare wheel will normally be located here, but please refer to your owner's manual on locations. And also on this particular model, it has a space-saving wheel, which is different to a normal wheel. So again, please check your owner's manual. After locating your spare wheel on the vehicle, it is important to stay safe as well when changing the wheels over. So at this point, you should always buy a high-vis jacket, and also you have a warning triangle. You should place it behind the vehicle to alert other road users. Looking great, my friend. You're doing great yourself, my friend. And now we'll move on to the equipment you will need to change your spare wheel. You will need a fully inflated spare wheel, the correct locking wheel nut, a car jack to elevate the car, and lastly, a wheel brace. So the first thing we're going to do is loosen the wheel bolts using the wheel brace. So locate properly and loosen off anti-clockwise. Do that to all four. But you have a locking wheel bolt, so the main essential in the locking wheel bolt is to locate it. So you just turn this around and it should have a locating lug. And again, using the wheel brace, loosen off. Now that your wheel bolts are loosened, we're going to jack the vehicle up using the jack that's provided by the car. Always read your owner's manual on where the location of the jacking blocks are underneath the vehicle. Not only that, the jack is always fully closed, so always wind it clockwise open, so it gives you a little bit of room. Find a locating point and start winding the jack to the car to lift it. Now take the bolts off the wheel and carefully remove the wheel and place it out of the way of the vehicle. Best bet is if you have a gap under the front bumpers, just to slide it under there. Now grab your spare wheel and align the holes like this, and grabbing the wheel bolts initially removed, you're going to put them back on the vehicle and make sure you rotate them clockwise, as you want to lock them into place using your hand to secure them into place. After your spare wheel is fitted and your wheel bolts are hand tightened, it's now time to release the jack and bring the vehicle back down, and you will turn this anti-clockwise as demonstrated. Once the vehicle is on ground level, take your bar and tighten down the wheel nuts as such, including the locking wheel key. Once the wheel is changed, grab all your equipment and place it back into the location of the vehicle using your owner's handbook, remember, and also the wheel back into its wheel location as well. And that is how you successfully change your wheel. For more tips and tricks, follow Big Motoring World.